Heading out the door today is a Jaguar E-Pace front clip. Nice little front end. We noticed that the radiator was damaged when we received this vehicle, so made the option available, and we are boxing one up and providing it with the shipment for the customer. So it won't be hanging off like that. It's not finished yet, but this is the early stages. Did point out a little bit of blemishes on the bumper cover. We always disclose as much as we can. You don't like surprises. We know that, and I hate to argue. So just be upfront right away. Very nice front clip, just before it gets wrapped up. We get under the hood. Typical with all of our setups on our front clips. Sometimes you find motor mounts if our guys let them in there for you if they're accessible. Rad condenser fans. All that stays in place. Wiring harness, rad support, shields, hoses, fuse box, plenty of goodies. And over here we have splash shields, fender liners. In there will be the air cleaner, the hoses, tons of little extra bits and pieces that you'll need when you're doing a front clip. If you have any questions, you're looking for a front clip for a particular car, give me a call, 800-222-2528. My name's Jared. My direct extension's 112. And the finished product on the Jaguar front clip. So this weighs 1,140 pounds total. As you can see, we put this slant roof on it. That's for the protection so the freight companies don't stack anything on top of it. We made it square, guaranteed they will stack on it. When it arrives, if you're ordering a front like this, if you see any signs of damage at all, like this black covering is messed up or it looks like it's been redone, let the driver know immediately, and it's got to be done on site. You can't let the driver leave and then say, I've got an issue. Otherwise, there's no help. If it's damaged underneath, I can't do anything about it, and I guarantee you they won't help. If you claim it, however, we've got a fighting chance. Any questions, just let me know. 800-222-2528. My direct extension's 112, and this is Jared. Thanks.